have something a little different for you. Not really too different because we do this on the channel. But I am doing mouth sounds for you guys. I know you guys love mouth sounds. I'm doing mouth sounds, but I'm going to mix it up. You know how you have the regular wet mouth sounds, though. But, right, I'm also going to be drinking water and giving swooshy sounds with the water. Gargling sounds, maybe. I don't know. Something. So mouth sounds like that. Alright. Just simply hop straight up into it, man. We're gonna give you a couple regular mouth sounds with the wet mouth sounds, but then we're gonna jump to the water, okay? Let's go. And I had one little question too for you guys. Like, you guys watch me. Like, how tall do you guys think that I am behind the camera? Just comment down below if you want to take a shot at it. Also, comment down below if you guys enjoy like the mouth sounds videos, and if I should maybe do mouth sounds with water again, or if I should do mouth sounds with like, or if I should incorporate other things or other sounds while doing mouse sounds, trying to incorporate multiple things. It's actually pretty funny because I'm doing like the water, like the and like making it bubble a little bit. What's funny about that is like I'm also standing over the mic, not over, but like in front of the mic and a little bit over it while I'm going side to side. And it's like I generally have to be very careful because I don't want any water to drip inside of my mic. I have the filter off and everything, so it's like I'm definitely like I'm really like trying to. So that was just like a little experiment run with the mouse sounds with water to make it even more wet like water. But make sure y'all drop a like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure to subscribe because I got tingles on deck for you guys. So just drop a like, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.